especially Queen Mother. Ìwọ ló máa ṣe WhatsApp group. Jo impact ìwọ ló kó nínú society Nigeria Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìwọ kan náà ló fẹ́ bring VDM yìí down. Ìwọ kan náà ló máa ní cancel Naira Marley. Oh, mi rí nǹkan gidi kan tó gbé ṣe ní Nigeria as a society. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀, o bue o fi ṣe give away ni. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀, nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ wá wá parọ́ lórí social media. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀, o lo àwọn fake blogs this way o fi bali onílé jẹ́ oníwọ kọ́ ni gist lover ṣùgbọ́n láti jọ́ gist lover ò gbérí mọ́ why tó dẹ̀ ṣe gbérí orí pọ́n ti cast ẹ o mọ̀ pé tó bá tún continue they will track you impact àwọn followers in a positive way rather you impacted them in a negative way. Àwọn ló máa compare wedding ti celebrity bá ṣe. Àwọn ló máa compare everything. Meanwhile, jẹ́ nǹkankan, jámọ́ nǹkankan. All your life, all you are living on is validation on social media. What if there is no more social media? If you have got a life, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, you will not come on social media to be looking for validation up and down. You are fake from the pit of hell. You are wicked, you are evil. Ìyẹn tó fa cancel BURNABOY. Ìyábọ̀ ló gbé slang yẹn jáde. Nígbà Mohbad tó kú òun ló ní cancel Naira Marley tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ cancel BURNABOY cancel ẹni olórin Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni just because she wants to bring her own. Are you connecting the dots? Kí ni BURNABOY ṣe tẹ́nìkan ṣe rí? Fame intoxicates. Bí owó náà ṣe máa intoxicate ni fame ṣe máa intoxicate. Anybody can make such mistake. I know people are saying BURNABOY is arrogant. BURNABOY is arrogant. Accepted. Kí wá ní cancel BURNABOY? Kí ló dé tẹ́ fẹ́ cancel ẹ̀? That is Ìyábọ̀ Òjó and her followers slang. Cancel. Ìyábọ̀ ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́. Ọmọ ológo ni BURNABOY. BURNABOY ò lè wálẹ̀. BURNABOY had realized his mistake and he's going to correct it with the support of his beautiful mother. Nobody can bring him down because nobody brought him up. Anything yóò lè mú wá sókè, ó lè cancel Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ wá cancel gbogbo ìrandíran ẹni. So you have to stop it now because I can see people manipulating videos, old videos test Tomo BURNABOY. They are going on to manipulate those videos. They have cancelled BURNABOY worldwide. That is Ìyábọ̀. I can see Ìyábọ̀ Òjó's hand in these things. Never say never. Àbí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kọ́ ló form WhatsApp group nípa justice for Mohbad. Tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní parọ́, tó ń fún wa ní fake narrative. Please, BURNABOY had made a mistake. Please, Nigeria, BURNABOY is our own. It is our own. Let's support him. He cannot be facing backlash abroad. Not be by Katuma face. And BURNABOY, Jehovah will support you. Jehovah will be with you.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mà ti gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan yìí tí arábìnrin tó wà nínú fídíò yìí tí wọ́n mọ̀ sí BUKKY JC tí ó sọ nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí àwọn nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí BURNABOY. Ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ẹ̀sùn ńláńlá yìí tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó fi kan Ìyábọ̀ Òjó látàrí wípé àwọn kan tí àwọn fans ń ṣe sí BURNABOY. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ tán nínú fídíò yìí o?
Tí o ní ṣìṣe, o ní ṣìrìn, o ní ṣìsọ, Ọlọ́run á dúró tì ẹ́ because ọmọ ológo ni ẹ́, o ní wálẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù.